Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for the last week of January. Now today is Wednesday. We had the FOMC meeting earlier today and it did propel prices lower, which is interesting to see. And basically I've been doing a lot of market analysis in the trading room, which I usually do every morning, every afternoon when we right before we close. I usually do a market analysis for that. I haven't really done much YouTube. I haven't really had a lot of time lately. So, whenever I have a lack of time, YouTube suffers. So it is what it is. But we had price come up here and it did reject. That's what I was looking for. A smackdown of FOMC. And right now, price can do two different things. So number one, and not in this order, number one, it can come up, find resistance again, and sell off again. Number two is it just continues selling off from here. The reason I talk about how it can come back up is because it stopped right here and bought back up. That's the only reason. So if it does actually start supporting, that's what's going to happen. So if I zoom out on this chart, you can see that I'm looking for price to come much lower. So I have a target down here at 40.54 to 40.88. That's a target that I have. We also 41.65 and 41.30 is also a level. So just keep an eye on those. I have 41.65 a red line here just to show. 41.30 I don't have a line, but it is a level. And then 40.88 to 40.56. So those are targets on the downside. If this does buy up from here and it takes up over 45.78, 45.80, if it gets over that, then something else is happening. But at the moment, I think it either comes up, finds resistance, comes down here, or it just comes straight down here. Now, why am I showing you this video? Well, if it does come down here, I'm looking for this to be a long and for price to go much higher. I actually don't have a line on the chart. A little embarrassing since I am making this video myself. But about 5,500, 5,600 would probably be that target. And this top line right here at 51.38, you kind of want to watch things when it gets there. But I'm thinking 55 to 5,600 would be that ultimate target on that. If price is going to do what I just said, come down, find that support, and then from there it can actually get quite strong. So I wanted to put out this video just to kind of talk about my thoughts, talk about what I'm seeing with price, talk about, this whole action. This action lower is very good, and right now it either supports here and then gets smacked down once it gets back up, or it can just take off from here. So keep an eye on basically 43.85 to 4,400. You don't want to see price get above there. You want to see it resist anywhere around there if it's going to come up and then start to sell off, and then keep an eye on this lower level. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. I'm going to try to do more of these. Also, if you would like me to do a couple other markets, I can do that. I'm been debating that, so figured I'd ask you guys if you like that. Throw a comment down below. If not, that's fine. If you enjoy the video, throw a like on it. If you don't, throw a dislike on it. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.